Assalamualaikum. Today I will have for you best popular dish from Taiwan, 3-cup chicken, best known as Sanbeiji. Let's do it. I have here chicken thighs which we are going to cut into squares. Hot pan, we put sesame oil. Now our ginger, garlic, hot chili, and we mix. We put our chicken, mix well. Now we put our sauces, soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Now we put a handful of basil leaves. Mix well until dries up a little. Our 3-cup chicken, guys. Enjoy. I hope you will like it. Try it at home.